gorgeous. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet for absolute beginners. In this videos, I will be teaching you the basic things you need to know for you to start crocheting. So let's get started. In order to start, we will need yarn. You can use any type of yarn you have lying around your house. This one's the one I picked. And of course, a crochet hook. It is in 4.0 millimeter. So let's get started. Now, the first thing I will teach you is called a slip knot. This is a technique used in many projects. And here's how you make one. You take the yarn like this, okay? Then you twist the top like that. Put your hand through, okay? And then you take the yarn and you pull through. Okay, one more time. So you take the yarn like this, twist it, pull your hand through, take the yarn and pull it back. There you have it, a slip knot. Please take a moment to play back if you need more practice. Now you take your hook and you put it through the loop, okay? Pull it into it's the size that you want. I recommend you leave a little bit of space like that, just a little bit. Now there's a few ways in order for you to hold the hook. The two common ways are like this, kind of like how you hold a pencil, or some people prefer it like this. Now that you know how to hold the hook, how do you hold the yarn? Well, that's a good question. You would take your middle finger and your thumb like this and hold it right where you made the knot. And this finger, you hook it like that, and then you hold it like this. Okay, one more time. This finger, loop it around. There you go. This finger, like this. Ta-da! Now, some people like looping it with their pinky than that, but I like it this way much better. So let's get started. The rest of your finger can hold the remaining yarn for control. So the first thing I will teach you is, well, actually the second, but you put the yarn over like this. This is called yarn over, okay? I will do it again. You put the yarn over the hook like that. There you go. And you see like the little hole we made a while ago? You put the yarn over. There we go. Now, kind of look like a V. And this is how you made a chain, okay? Now let's do it one more time. Put the yarn over and you pull it through the loop. There we go. One more time. Yarn over through the loop. This may take some practice, and feel free to make a mistake. I know the first time I started crocheting, it wasn't as perfect as this. So, let's practice together. Yarn over, okay? And pull it through the hook. There you go. And as long as you keep practicing, your crochet ability will get better and better. Over time, you'll be more surprised to know that you are better than the day you start. So there it is. This is a chain. Now, in order for me to teach you the first stitch, please crochet until the chain has reached your desired length. And make it a bit long because you will need it to practice some stitch. I will be back once I finish my chain. Here is what my chain look like. We will first start with our single stitch. This is called single stitch, okay? So, do you see so many V's that we made? The last one that you did, you're going to skip it, okay? We're going to the second one, okay? Now, you put your hook in the second one, ta-da, like that, just like that. Now, I want you to yarn over, like how we practice, and only pull through this loop, okay? Only that one. Now, you have 2 on your hook. I want you to yarn over again. That's okay if you make mistakes. And this time, you're not going to yarn over one, but both of them. It's a bit tricky, but you got this. Ta-da! This is your first crochet stitch. This is the single crochet. Okay, let's do it one more time. Do you see the next V? It's quite hard to see it, so I'm going to zoom in just a bit, okay? So you put it in the first, okay? Then you yarn over, you pull it through, ta-da! Now crochet, yarn over, and pull it through both. Congratulations, you made your second stitch. So now let's keep going into the end of the row, okay? So the next one is this one, right? This one. So you put your hook in, and then yarn over. You have 2, yarn over, crochet both of them. Look at your progress. You've made 3. You notice that each stitch will also have a V on top of it, and this is because for the next row you're going to use this stitch as the foundation for the second row. So we're going to push it into the next one. This is the next one, okay? And yarn over, pull over, yarn over, next one. I will see you at the end of this row. At my last V of this row. There it is. You put it through, yarn over, pull it back. Now you have 2, yarn over, and you pull it both. And there it is. This is the last of the first row. Now, in order for us to get to the second row, we actually going to chain 1. Remember, chain 1 is just yarn over and pull through. Okay? Ta-da! Now you're going to turn it over to the, sorry, okay, let me do it one more time. Like this. Turn over to the back. And we continue with the V we just made. second V, see this one. There we go, that one. We're going to yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull. Second stitch, the third one. Okay, yarn over, yarn over. Now, third one. Should look something like this. Okay. Okay. So, see the V? You put it through. That. Okay. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Together. Next one. Pull through. Yarn over. Together. One more time. Almost done. Now we're approaching the last stitch, and this is what I want you to look at. That is the last one, the last V, right? Put it in. There you go. Yarn over. In. Done. Okay? Second stitch done. Once again, chain, turn. This is the first V, right? We just made this. So we punch it in, pull through, together. Repeat again. And again. And one more time. This is basically the process of making a simple line row by row. So you can crochet this until you reach your desired length. Once again, I will make mine around this big, and I will see you soon. Now, for my last row, I'm going to place my last single stitch, the last row, and then in order for you to completely finish your project, you will chain one, okay, pull the yarn a bit. Now, going to take your scissor, continue pulling, and here just tighten it, and congratulations, you have made your first project. Now, if you were to continue making this longer, you could potentially make a scarf, and I think that's pretty cool. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and I will be continuing making videos for other type of stitch, but for now, this is the single crochet. Have a good day.